Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add lines to a text box in Excel. Okay, now see this text box. You select single text box or multiple text box. I select multiple text box. Hold Control. Okay, now see this icon. Right click mouse and see this outline. More outline colors and dash white. I set the simple outline. Click OK. Outline colors, the red. OK, and right click mouse, see this many styles in the text box. OK, now type text box, you remove or again text box, enter text box. OK, added this underline, select underline. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Oh, outline red, outline color